Hi! In front of me is nothing phone 2, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to start by going into Devices settings and tapping on Connected Devices right away. Then hit Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then tap on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them thanks to this gear located next to your connected device. And then thanks to Forget button next to Connect one. If you are sure that you wish to disconnect, tap on Forget Device in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!